Healthy, spicy, delicious, vegetarian, vegan. That is amazing. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so what we have here is 1 cup of tomato, 1 cup of onion, 2 teaspoons of chili, 2 of coriander, 1 of cumin and 1 of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, which is a 50-50 mix of the two. Here I've got 1 dried red chili, a little bit of cinnamon stick there, about 4 cloves, and then some star anise. There's probably like 2 or 3 whole star anise there. And I've got 2 green cardamom pods. Coconut milk, there's 400 ml of coconut milk. And then let's look at the star of the show. This is our tofu. This is, now I just want to talk to you about that very quickly. There's lots of grades of this stuff. You can get it really kind of mushy, like a liquid nearly, all the way up to what they call firm and extra firm. So for this, you need firm or extra firm. When you get this, it will come in water. Take it out of the water, drain it off, and then just let it drain a little bit. I mean, what I do is I stick a towel down with a towel on the top and a weight, like I put a chopping board and something on top of it, let it press out just for 10 minutes. But that's about it, really simple, let's get moving. So we're gonna get started here. The heat is on, it's quite high. I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could be using something completely different if you want. So, star anise, cloves, dried chili, cinnamon. I mean, you could be adding different stuff to this as well if you want. You could put some cumin seeds in here now, coriander seeds. Look at that, beautiful. Don't skip this process because what's happening is this is really infusing that oil and giving it a lovely, lovely flavor. Okay, 1 cup of onion, in that goes. So we're on quite a high heat. We're gonna go for 3 minutes and I'm gonna be moving this around quite a bit. Fantastic. We're now going to go in with 1 decent sized tomato or 1 cup of tomato, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, 50-50 mix of the two. You can buy that in most stores depending on where you live, or like us, you can make it. We use so much of it, we make our own. Salt. And then we're going to go in with our spices. Let's take a look. 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon cumin, and then 2 teaspoons each of chili powder and coriander. We're going to go for 5 or 6 minutes now. Now you might have noticed that my tomato is a nice ripe juicy one, which is kind of what you need. What we're going to do here is cook this until the tomatoes have really broken down, and it may well or hopefully give off just a little bit of moisture. So you can see that tomato has kind of cooked right down beautifully. Okay, 400 ml coconut. Beautiful. Then the extra firm or firm you need. This is actually extra firm. Okay, we're going to turn the heat down to not a simmer, but above a simmer. We're going to let this go for about 5 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. This is super, super fabulous. Off goes the heat. That is superb. Couple more things. We're going to go in with some cilantro or coriander. Nice handful of that. And some fresh chili at the end. Entirely up to you if you want to put that in or not. I think it's worth it, but I like spicy food. Look at that, delicious. And there you go, really, really decent. That is tasty, tasty. Rice, bread, you know, like roti, paratha, naan, up to you, fantastic. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you soon, keep safe, keep well. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. we're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.